Hey guys, this is Matt Allen. I'm the Senior Support Specialist here at Acctivate. Today we're going to take a high-level look at products in Acctivate. First, the product ID is your internal identifier for the product. This will be used on internal reports. It can also be used to add the product to sales orders, purchase orders, and other inventory transactions. You can add a UPC code here. The description is what it sounds like. It's a short description of the product itself. Item types tell Acctivate how to treat the product. So for example, a non-inventoried product isn't going to track on-hand quantity versus an inventoried product which would. Product types are defined in Configuration Manager, typically used for reporting. Product class is also defined in Configuration Manager. While this can be used for reporting as well, the product class also has the ability to dictate which sales and cost of goods sold accounts would be selected when selling a given product. Sales category is typically used in a similar way to the item type, mostly for reporting. And the bill of materials tells Acctivate if this product is made up of a list of components, which are either consumed by using an assembly transaction or consumed when the product is sold in the case of a kit. Here we can see the warehouses related to this product and what its current on-hand available quantities are, what's on PO, etc. You can also add additional warehouses by clicking this button here and selecting the warehouse setup in Configuration Manager from this drop-down menu. If you have multiple identifiers for this product, you can add alternate product IDs here, or here on the Alt ID tab. Acctivate would allow you to have multiple alternate product IDs related to a given product. Over here on this Management tab, you can define the management cost for a given warehouse. You can also see the last cost used related to that warehouse, and you can define reserved, minimum stock quantity, max stock quantity, and minimum order quantities for the product. These are used when reordering products. The control type is used if you have the lot or serial control module. This will tell Acctivate if the product is standard, serial or lot numbered, or number when invoiced. The cost method will tell Acctivate how to calculate cost for this product. The prices tab are where you would define prices for a given product. The substitutions tab would allow you to select a substitute product. So if you were on a sales order and you put button in and didn't have enough stock, you would be able to select from a substitutions list to choose a different product instead. The vendors tab would allow you to define which vendors you purchase this product from. If you purchase the product from multiple vendors, you can define a preferred vendor. You can also define what the vendor calls this product. You could enter this value when adding product to the PO, and it will automatically populate with whatever price you have related to that vendor for this product. The tax code related to a product tells Acctivate if tax should be calculated for this product when it's added to orders or not. And finally, we'll talk about this active, discontinued, and available on web flags related to a given product. Active means that the product is actively being used. You continue to purchase it, you continue to sell it, and it's an active product. Discontinued means that you may still have stock on hand for the product, and you may want to sell your existing stock, but you don't intend on purchasing any more of the product. So once you've sold everything you have, typically you would make the product inactive. Available on web is exactly what it sounds like. If you have an integration with a web store platform, if this option is enabled, this product would be included in things like inventory exports to your web store platform. That's all we've got for today. If you have any questions or want more details on anything we've talked about today, feel free to check out the links below, or you can email Acctivate support at support@acctivate.com.